Ko te wehenga ki wainga I te whakatupuranga o te kohanga reo, me te whakatupuranga Māori reo kore, kai te purangi aho pea te kitea I te whare pāremata I tēnei wiki. Ngā rā te taha matau me ngā whakapai ka puta mō rātau mo te tau I te ahi kai kiri, kai te nui pea te kuare ki wainga I ngā reanga Māori I te whare. He toko maha pea no ngā mātātahi Māori me te aha, ko tituake te puehu.
Koe nei te wāhi ka tū māro nā kai tō rangapū ki te kape I a rātau anō.
If you're looking for trouble, you've come to the right place.
The more you attack us, the stronger we will grow.
I nā te hari kua tau mai anō nā waiwai ki roto I te anga o nā raiana. Engari te rereke, he reo tō te wahine.
Because you're heading straight to the bottom pile, claiming to be what you're not, the voice of Māori. No you're not. And never will be.
They don't take pride in being Māori. They take pride in being labelled as professional politicians, but they belong to parties that don't have the best interests of Māori at heart.
Mō ētahi he kaupapa tino nui te ingoa, he whakapapa ki ētahi, he kōrero noa mo te hitori kua mene ki te pō mo te nuinga.
It's balderdash. Oh no, you can wave and do all the hanging and put the huia feather in your hair, but it doesn't belong there.
I come from a community where our women have had to stand and hold the line. We are not victims. And despite our natural development being interfered with, we are here, thriving, we are resilient, and we are beautiful, huia, feathers or not.
I nā he toto he tonu mō mua.
And you can put the tā moko on and dance around and carry on in the way that we find very strange, because where I come from, that's conferred upon you.
Engari kare mutu nā whiu ki reira, te rā no nā hapa, a nā kaipapa aho.
Having been marginalised, Cinderellaised, demonised by too many who were in the public interest journalism fund, paid off in the media.
So we too are not fans and not covered by the press, but we did that. And you know what? At the beat of our whanaungatanga, we didn't need the press. We didn't wāwa and tangiwitu about the fact we didn't have that.
Hoi anō, e kore he pōhehe, kua piki te wāru o te kaipōti Māori.
Because Mr Jackson has been the key voice in the Labour Party these last 6 years, and he's sent them to their demise. He's their Māori leader. He's their Māori leader, and there's one left now in the Māori seats.
Hoi anō e tēmaina ki te ingoa Māori, e kore he ritenga.
I wish you healing and hope you find strength in your culture unity as we do. I hope that you don't continue to isolate yourself from the Generation T, because Generation Te Tiriti are here. Our kohanga generation has arrived, and we're as excited as heck.
Because this sort of humbug is going to stop. And we're going to go back to calling our country New Zealand.
The Māori version comes off, and the English signs are up for places like Uranui.
Yes.
English for Uriiti, Rahotu. But wait, Shane, I have one more. And the English sign for Kaiteke.
Well, koe nei te marae a te o te motu. Ki reira tau kumukumi ai, tau patupatu ai. Ki te kore a konei, ki hea rane.
Hoi anō, mō ētahi, kua tōke e te rā. Tēnei Molyneux, te o Marama.